So today I want to talk to you about finding your heart rate. And in this class, you will have to log your heart rate. And you do not need to spend money on heart rate monitors. All you need is a watch or a timer and your two fingers. So there's two places that you can find your heart rate. One is your carotid artery, which is in your neck. And your carotid artery is either the two large arteries on each side of your neck. And there's a picture on the whiteboard screen here, or this is kind of gruesome, but also a better picture. And so you can see how the artery runs down your face, into your jaw, and then down your neck. So in this area here, where that large red portion is listed, you can see all that big artery going down there. That's where you're going to get the strongest pulse. So what you're going to do to figure out your heart rate, and all of our heart rates are logged in 60-second or 1-minute heart rates. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your two fingers, your pointer finger and your naughty finger, and you're going to find your pulse in your neck. And so you're going to run your fingers down your jawline to where your neck meets your jawline, and then feel around for that pulse, and you will count the pulse for 60 seconds. Now, the fastest and easiest way to find your 60-second pulse is just to count for 6 seconds and then multiply your number by 10 or add a 0. It does not have to be exact. We know the longer that we count, the more exact it will be. But I just want the general idea of what your heart rate is. So just count for 6 seconds. It's very quick and easy. Multiply that response by that number by 10 or add a 0, and then you can log your heart rate. Now, if you can't find your carotid artery and you can't find your pulse in your neck, there's another place to look, and that's in your wrist. And there's a radial artery that runs through your wrist that is actually on the thumb side inside of your wrist. And you can see again, you're taking the same two fingers, and there's like a tendon that goes down the center of your wrist. Roll your fingers towards the thumb side of that tendon, and that is where you're going to find that pulse again. And again, if you want to see another picture, you can see the artery running through the wrist. And so this is what you're shooting for. You want to be able to feel that pulse. And again, you will be counting for 6 seconds and then multiplying that number by 10 or adding a 0 to record your 60-second pulse or 60-second heart rate. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm here to help you. Good luck.